Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make Oreo chiffon cake, and this is what it will look like if you follow the recipe and procedure that I will show you. It's been a while, so please bear with me. This is 12 pieces of Oreos. I'm removing the cream so it will make the Oreos lighter, and to make sure that it will stay within the butter, not sink to the bottom. Using a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin, we're going to crush the Oreo. Not too much though, we still want the chunks so it's visible. And this is what it should look like. As you can see, it's still chunks and not powdery. So we will set this aside while we prepare the egg yolk batter. For the egg yolk batter, we need 8 egg yolks, 150 grams of cake flour, 100 ml of vegetable oil or canola oil, 100 ml of fresh milk, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of sugar. So beat the egg yolks using a whisk, add the sugar and the vanilla. Continue whisking this until it is light pale yellow. Just like this. And then we're going to add the oil and the fresh milk. So this we're going to sift in the cake flour and the salt. By the way, you should preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius. So mix the flour into the egg yolk batter until it is well combined. If you see some lumps, just push it towards the side of the bowl so it breaks. Set this aside. Now we need 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, half a cup of sugar, and 8 egg whites. So beat the egg whites until it is frothy. Just like this, then add the cream of tartar. Continue beating for around 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, we can gradually add the sugar. Once the sugar is all in, we're going to continue beating this until it reaches stiff peak stage. At this point, the egg whites is not yet ready, or the meringue. Keep on beating. And this is now the stiff peaks form. We're going to combine the egg whites and egg yolk batter and the Oreos in 3 additions. On the first addition, we will not add any Oreos first. We'll just lighten up the butter a little bit. So just do the folding method in mixing. Now we're going to add the second addition of the egg whites or the meringue. Now add the first half of the Oreos. the last addition of the egg whites. Do not overmix this or it will deflate the air from the meringue. Add the remaining Oreos. And this is now ready to be transferred into a tube pan. This is my tube pan that is ungreased, so do not grease the pan. We need the batter to cling on to the pan so it continues rising. So we will bake this in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about an hour or an hour and 5 minutes. Give it a light tap. And this is what it looks like after baking. Now it is important to flip the tin upside down and just let this cool down completely. Once it is cooled down completely, using a flat spatula, run it on the side of the cake and the pan to release the cake. Don't forget the middle. And then run the spatula again at the bottom of the cake and the pan. Make sure that you're on a straight line. I'm kinda on an angle here, so I didn't get a clean removal of the cake. Then flip the cake upside down. And this is the chiffon cake. Now this is optional. 1 cup of cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're just going to combine everything in a bowl. So again, that's 1 cup of cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then beat this until it reaches stiff bake stage. And we're going to put this in a piping bag. I use 1M Wilton tip. Again, this cream is optional if you want to. I'm just going to put a little bit of cream on top of the chiffon cake. And then just to decorate, I'm using Oreos. And this is what it looks like. And now it's time to show you what it looks like when you cut the cake. So I hope you can give this a try. This is really good. It's been around 3 years since I last uploaded a video. I've been busy looking after my baby, so I hope you still watch and continue liking my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again next week. Bye.